So, my YouTube friends and family, I am so disgusted. I had to do an eviction today. Well, it was the final day of the eviction. And this is a freaking disgrace. Oh my gosh. I want to show you how they left the place. It is awful. I hadn't got rent. It's now the end of March 30th. I've been in eviction in Duval County, Jacksonville, Florida, since December. No money. And this is how they leave my place. I cannot do this no more. This is the truth about being a landlord. It's good tenants out there, but the bad outweighs the goods by, oh gosh, an epic proportion. And I am so over this. I'm going to turn this camera around so you can see how they left this place. All this crap on the curb. You just throw it on the curb. Contractor cleanout bags, mind you, they cost, what? $30 for a box of 50. Leave trash. Ain't cut no yard. Just disgusting. Disgraceful. There's how they left the trash. Ain't cut a yard. That's freaking scary as all get out. What the hell is that? Is that a freaking toupee? Don't know. Won't be touching that. Totes and crap. You find all this stuff to just go on. This is what separates the rich from the poor. Just run it off and leaving stuff like this. It is so freaking sad. And mind you, this was a Section 8 tenant. So all money ain't good money. I have some excellent, respect the game, Section 8 tenants. Excellent. And then you run into something like this. And yes, the lights. Okay, there's some light. Then you run into something like this.
What the hell is?
I don't even know where that door comes from. And a real frame to a real door.
You finna change the door.
I don't know where that come from. But look at this. You just left all this crap for somebody else to deal with. I think this washer was the one I left, the last tenant before them left. And they was using it, I guess. But you leave all this crap. This is disgraceful. What the hell is that?
What you gonna do with that washer? Get rid of it?
Yeah, you have it.
Alright, don't do it. All the bullshit metal and stuff. Get rid of this.
Look at this. Why you just leave this stuff? Look at all this trash and filth. But there's no way you can complain about rats when you living like this. And it was, it was a mouse problem, but obviously, look at this. Look at this. What a whole hole doing in the yard? No, the one on the street, the 23s. All back here.
All this metal shit, I'm gonna get rid of it right now.
Okay, so my brother gonna scrap the metal. Maybe if y'all they'd have thought of that, they could have came up with some of my doggone rent.
And the iron done went up too. That's $11 for £100.
My big old brother, and I'm so little, I'm 4'11", and look at him. Yep, and look, so I'm gonna tell y'all, I took the shoes from one of my move outs, and what the heck? They left weights in the backyard, just random. Left no screens missing and broken. I don't understand how people break a screen. What are they doing? Hanging out the freaking windows and crawling in and out? It's ridiculous. Look at that screen. And we're waiting on the key to get in. But this is a disgrace. You missing whole screens out the windows. It just don't make sense. Everybody think they want to do this. I've been doing it for 19 years now. 19 years. And apparently it's a bunch of flies in there because they're in the windows. 19 years I've been doing this. What? It is not for everybody. It's not for the weak, I tell you. It's not for the weak. It's not for the ones who cannot manage. If you ain't managing now, you ain't ready for this. It is not for everybody. And truly, I'm so old. I'm getting too old for this. I done got what I could get out of it. And it is a done deal. So, I'll show you the inside in a second when I can get inside. But this is absolutely nasty. I guess we'll start picking up other people's garbage now. Horrible. I am pissed and disgusted. So if you ever did this to somebody, you need to pray for forgiveness, because karma is something else. Okay? It's just horrible. It's just horrible. So stay tuned for the inside, because you'll probably hear some more. Brace your ears, brace your mind, brace your soul. And if you are offended, then you probably did this to somebody. This is absolutely awful. And okay, stay tuned. So here's the rest, y'all. It is a freaking disgrace. I want to cry. So like I said, my brother is scrapping any metal. Weights are metal. Those are metal. He is going to scrap it. They even left bananas in here to rot. They left all their trash. I ain't even looked in the refrigerator yet. You and I going to look in it together. But all I can say is you know what is this? It looked like banana water, but it also looked like a ton of flies up in it. That is freaking disgusting. Whew, tore up kitchen. This kitchen is less than 10 years old, but stuff is breaking. Look, just all the filth and disgust. Oh my goodness, they even left food out. I ain't getting close because I see roaches. I'm out. This refrigerator. Oh gosh, man! Look at that! 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 Oh man! Just how people live. Everybody don't live the same for sure. I know that, but man, look at all the corners and crevices. And have you ever washed the baseboard? Oh my gosh. It's just room number one. They left a whole sofa. Probably still on it, and it's right here. Oh my gosh. Look at here. You took 15, 20 holes to get this one thing up. I send the filter, so let's see how this looks. And I send the filters, and she knew not to call me for nothing. Did I see a roach? Thought I saw something moving. Oh Lord. So, oh gosh. Towel kind of crumbling under my feet. Look at this. And you know, like I say, this started in December. So you had many months to get this place somewhat decent. So sometimes when you find shoes, you could take them to Poshmark if they kind of clean. I mean, not Poshmark. You could take them to, what's the place? Plato's Closet. When I found a pair of shoes one time, took them things to Plato's Closet, they gave me $15. So, I mean, that may not be worth it to some people, but that's half the cost of them contracted cleanup bags that I had. Or that's dinner after you finish cleaning up somebody else's filth and don't want to clean up. Oh my gosh. I mean, don't want to cook that night. But this, look at that. I mean, you knew about this. It wasn't a surprise. So you let everything just leak. I don't know what all that's going on under there. Shoes and everything under the, oh Lord. Oh my gosh. Let's see, here's one of the bedrooms. This is the best looking one. And the lights on, but look, gotta trash that out. That's another bag. I mean, wow, baseboard. This is kind of clean. Well, I mean, you know, whatever. Child, I gotta go restock cleaning supplies. Holes in the wall that they tried to patch up on their own. Left a mattress in here, mind you. Look at the fans. How you even breathing in here? Horrible. I've been picking up pads and tampons outside. Shoot. Here's a purse that you can afford to leave. Leave money on the floor. Man, y'all got money to throw on the floor. Look at here. Look at here, but you can't pay your rent. So, this is where we at. I'm going to be here for the next 4 hours, bagging up trash. That's pretty much what I got to do. Look at here. How you living like, how you sleeping like, how? You should be sick living like this. This is horrible. Look behind it. Look. All that just all up in there. It's a mess. It is a mess. And I'm like, whoo. But I got a plan, so if you want to see the plan, stay tuned. But man, I'm so disgusted. I'm so sad that people do this. And then you wonder why all the landlords sold out. This is your answer. This is why the landlords sell out. And they just don't even worry about the tenants no more. This is why you can't get nothing to rent at a decent price. This is why it's going to be all sold to them people that start with a C to do whatever they want to do because of stuff like this. It's sad. All right. Well, we'll, oh Lord, I'm trying to end this on a positive note. If you want to see this journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a like just to help my spirits. My gosh. Give me a like to help my spirits. Because I ain't even, let's open the cabinets. Let's open the cabinets. Oh my gosh. Look at all that. Oh gosh. I'm still wondering what this is in this jar. My brother gonna have to touch that for me because I'm not touching it. What's all that? What is all that? All back in the cut that people gotta bend and reach and down there lay on the floor to get. I'm so scared to touch all this shit. I'm trying not to curse in this video, y'all. I know I got some older people watch me, but you would be too. I mean, you really would be. Oh, look at that. So this is where we at. Oh my gosh, this is where we at. And like I said, if you want to follow this journey, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And as always, plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. And I'm going to add something else. Learn a thing, learn a thing. We got to do better than this as a people. We really have to do better than this as a people. Thank you so much for watching. I love you to life. Learn from this. Hope no one's offended. Lazy HOA gardener, I'm out. Right now, I'm out and outdone. Bye-bye.